everyone, good afternoon. I'm Sumaiya Rahman from Edbase. I'm an English instructor. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today I will talk about writing essays. So I have heard that starting an essay is one of the toughest thing about writing the whole essay itself. What happens is it gets very frustrating to look at a blank page and not be able to write down your thoughts into words. What can be done in situations like this? You could start talking about the topic, you could start saying what the topic is all about, and then state down your opinions. And in the following paragraphs, talk about the pros and cons of the topic. If you agree with the topic, you don't have to sit down and just talk about the good parts of the topic. Talk about the bad things too. Talk about the bad sides too. And finally, emphasize on your own opinion. Emphasize on what you believe is right. So you do not have to be scared of not being able to put your thoughts into words. Essay writing is not that difficult if it's done properly. Hope that this video helped you, and for any further help and guideline, we'll be waiting for you at Edbase English. Thank you.